In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the cursor on your Wix website. If you're ready to add a bit of flair and creativity to your site, customizing your cursor can be a unique way to do it. Let's dive in and explore the simple steps you need to follow to bring this exciting feature to life. First things first, you'll want to navigate to the Wix website editor. This is where the magic happens. If you haven't already, log into your Wix account and head over to your site's editor. The interface is user-friendly, so even if you're not a tech expert, you should be able to find your way around with ease. Once you're in the editor, direct your attention to the left panel. Here you'll see an option labeled Add Apps. Clicking on this will open up a world of possibilities, as adding apps can greatly enhance your site's functionality and aesthetic appeal. Now, in the search bar that appears, type the word cursor. This step helps filter through the vast array of apps available, honing in on those specifically designed for cursor customization. Don't worry if you see various options pop up. It just means you have exciting choices ahead. Among the search results, look for Mega Animated Cursor Effects. This app offers a plethora of cursor designs, perfect for making your website stand out. Go ahead and click on it. This will take you to the apps page where you can explore different features and customization options. On the Mega Animated Cursor Effects page, you'll find a button that says Add to Site. Clicking on this will integrate the app into your Wix website, enabling you to start customizing your cursor right away. Remember, your site visitors will notice these changes, so choose a design that aligns with your brand and message. After clicking Add to Site, you'll be prompted with an option to Agree and Add. This step usually involves agreeing to certain terms of use for the application. Review these terms to ensure you're on the same page with the app provider, and once you're ready, click Agree and Add. Your selected cursor effect should now be live on your site. There you have it. You've successfully changed the cursor on your Wix website to a new animated design. This small change can have a big impact on user experience, adding an element of surprise and delight for your visitors. Now that you've seen how easy it is, feel free to explore other customizations in the Wix app market to further enhance your site. Thanks for watching and happy designing!